cats at the Acropolis friendly or not?
Friendly one.
Yeah.
How's it gonna drink the water? No, just like if he just spill it in front of him. Watch.
Okay. Look at how cute he is.
By the way, these are some really nice buildings along the Acropolis here. You got the Acropolis here, the view, and you got these marble front buildings, kind of, I guess, the Greek equivalent of like a New York brownstone or something. I don't know who lives here or if it's some kind of embassy or government kind of buildings. I imagine they're really expensive, but look at this place. Here is the Acropolis Museum. Definitely a must-see if you come to the Acropolis. Do this afterwards or maybe even on another day. I don't know. You'd be pretty tired walking around the Acropolis and then come walk around here. It'll be a long day, but definitely worth it. While I'm here, I might as well walk down over here and show you the avenue on this side. There's a lot more than just this little street next to the metro. Got all these streets up here. I could use a nice tall Mythos beer right now myself. So you got this hop on, hop off bus, goes all around. Looks like it could be worth it so that you don't have to walk all this stuff.
Εγώ λέω θα έχει βουλιάξει στερό προφυλάκι. Θα έχει πάρει και θα
A lot of nice buildings on these side streets also. Some kind of theater here. Segway tours. Greek Jehovah's Witnesses. So guys, that's a little walk around the area of the Acropolis. It is hot out here, 3:30 in the afternoon. Still a lot of people out. I'm gonna head to the metro and go take an afternoon nap so I could go out tonight and stuff my face and drink some beers. Hope you like this one. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys.